How to build your own app without writing a single line of code is the ultimate to-do list. So first of all, you have to start by creating a spec, or you can also do a product requirements document. You can ask ChatGPT or Claude to give you a template for this. Essentially, it's a list of the specifications of the building blocks for the backend and the front end of the app that you're building. So you have to think through what endpoints do you need, what things you need to request from the front end versus the back end, what do you need the back end and front end to do, have a functionality checklist. For example, let's suppose that the user uploads an image, for instance, a screenshot, and it needs to be analyzed. You need to know that the backend is going to analyze that screenshot. And then you also need to have a list of the edge cases in case the screenshot, for instance, is formatted weirdly, it's not an image, or someone presses submit without actually uploading anything. So you need to have a list of how you're going to respond when those edge cases happen. So this right here is the full to-do list from my friend that is a chief technology officer at another Y Combinator startup on how to create a spec. And if you want to go ahead and build a full app, your final spec or PRD into Claude Code and tell it to give you an execution plan. I would recommend downloading Cursor as well, and then tell Claude to give you instructions as though you're a new coding student, and tell Claude that you're using Cursor. So keep going back and forth between Cursor and Claude, and before you know it, your app will be built. There's the to-do list. Shout out to Brooke.